Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will be showing you how we can book a schedule and expert session with SAP. If you are having any incident or issue or you want to discuss about any product with SAP, then SAP provides the opportunity to discuss directly. And this call can be a 30 minutes call and you need to schedule the call at least 2 days before. And if you are using a SAP product or if you are a SAP customer or you are having some partnership with SAP, then SAP is giving this opportunity to discuss directly. And let me show you the step now. So in the screen you can see that it is a SAP One Support Launchpad. So you need to first access to this launchpad to schedule this call. So how can you access to this? You need to log into this, and if you don't have registration, then you can do the registration. So after successful registration, then only you can access to this portal. And here in this portal, uh, there are options like if you go below down, like in the left hand side, contact us. If you click on it, you will get a option like this. So here you have an option called schedule an expert, or if you want to do some chat with SAP expert, then you can click on expert chat. So in this video we are going to discuss about the schedule and expert. And again, if this uh, newer version of SAP Launchpad, now you may have this inbox already that schedule an expert. So you can directly click on this, or otherwise you can access from this contact us option as well. So once you click on this option, then it will ask for the option called book now. So here you need to click again, and then you need to provide the information like what is the question, what is the category and area expert, and here you need to book your timing, like your timing, and then description. So based on that the call can be set up. So it is a very nice opportunity provided by SAP so that we can directly discuss about any product, about any issue, about any incident, and most importantly that we can also provide written incident. Right here you can see in the help that we can write write the issue in an incident. So or otherwise you can do the chatting. You can also schedule the call. Otherwise there are some non-technical help like phone call, email, so those can be also supportive if you are a SAP customer. So that's all about this tutorial, and I believe you now got to know how to at least schedule the call and for any important and also for any priority tasks. So thank you for watching. Please look into the other tutorials. I've given the links in the video description. Please comment below and like and share and subscribe the tutorial. Thank you for watching.